Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to post anonymously on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe YouTube channel. Right now I am in my Facebook group and click on this post and click on create anonymous post, and here I am going to write something. Don't need a program to create an anonymous post. This post will be shared directly to my group. Other admins and moderators will see your name. If they review the post, click on post, and here we can see a post has been shared but without the group member's name. By default, anonymous option is visible in Facebook group, so you have to enable this. To enable this, go to your group settings and scroll down. Then here you will find anonymous posting. Under the feature section, now click on edit. Here you will get it off, so turn this on. Then you will be able to post anonymous post on Facebook group. So this is the way how you can post anonymous in Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.